Hi guys, in our new video we will talk about the problem and solution of Hyundai Getz and similar vehicles. If you write your problems about different vehicle brands and models in the comments, I will answer you as a solution.
We will solve the problem of rainwater getting into the vehicle by following the path from the speaker gap through the door. We carefully remove the screws on the doors. Then, we take out the door handle and remove the plastic locks found with the help of a screwer. Then we carefully remove the door plastics as we application. Water circulates between this plastic part of the speaker, from the plastic to the door, there to the vehicle. For that, we take the thick nylon material and place the top face outside the door, the bottom side in the door and mount the speaker on the door. Then we cut back our door plastics and overcome the problem by cutting the extra. If you have any other problems you want us to do, leave us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like to see next solutions.